Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing you my top 5 affordable makeup products which are budget friendly and beginner friendly. So let's get into the video. The first one is Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer, which is non-sticky and gives you extra hydration, has a hyaluronic acid in it. Then the next one is Pond's BB Cream, which you can see I have already emptied my tube. This is super lightweight and gives you a high coverage, covers all your dark spots and pimples as well. Next is this compact from Faces Canada, which is super weightless and has SPF in it, and this is in the shade Ivory 01. And as you can see, this gave me an amazing glow after applying it. You can use it for your touch-ups as well. Then the next one, my Glam's High Defying HD Mascara, which is perfect for your natural curling mascara and gives you a glam look. You can use for your daily office wear, college wear or party as well. As you can see, this comb is so priceless. This will give separate your single lash as well. Then the next is this Mattlook Date Me lipstick, which is perfect nude pink shade. This is in the shade Brown Sugar and the swatch is super amazing. I share all the links in the description box below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my